Enjoy the view of this 2023 Kia K5. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Transform your daily drive in this well-appointed K5. From its sophisticated cabin, daring sense of style, family-focused safety features, and satisfying performance, this luxurious sedan inspires and delights. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, navigation system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, power driver's seat, electronic stability control. Feel relaxed and renewed when you're behind the wheel of this luxurious K5. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.